I was actually lucky. Oof! Extra time.
Start your day with silly and safe. Start your day with sassy and sage. Sincerely, simply, seriously cereal.
Everyone is welcome here.
Hey, you.
Hi.
Hey, everyone. I'm Jennifer, one of Maxwell's moms.
And I'm Brianne, Maxwell's other mom. Welcome to Seriously Cereal.
Episode number 309.
Seriously Cereal is made possible by viewers like you.
And by Blue Legacy, a volunteer-run nonprofit dedicated to bringing people together.
Find out more at
www.seriouslycereal.org. Thanks, Spoonie.
If you eat your cereal dry, then you're a stacker, like our buddy, Bowler.
Hello!
Hi, Bowler. Or, if you prefer your cereal with milk, then you are a spooner, like our buddy, Spoonie. He's the director.
Every month we post episodes with a theme. This month's theme is
Arts and crafts.
like these.
Ooh. And we'll be adding a third papercraft playset from this box of Reese's Puffs Minis.
Which is why Jennifer is standing in for Maxwell today, because Maxwell is allergic to peanuts.
And even though a lot of cereals that say they're nutty or have nutty flavors to them don't actually contain peanut butter, Reese's Puffs Minis definitely does contain actual peanuts.
This playset doesn't come with any characters. It just looks like another wall, cupboards, and cereal.
What does that look like? Oh.
Now, unfortunately, the cupboards don't open, and the sink is right in the middle, and the cereal box doesn't really fit under the cupboards, so it only goes on the counter if you put it on the sink.
Oh.
So I think, in my opinion, the Trix counter is definitely better, and that's where I would put all the cereal boxes.
So they either needed to make the cupboards higher up and smaller, or like not print a sink there or something like that.
Yeah,
More measuring needed to happen.
I think so. You know, I think rulers are our friends.
Scissors, tape, glue, paper, paints, pens, and crayons. There are so many fun tools for making crafts. Papercraft doesn't have to be fancy or expensive. Another super helpful tool is a ruler. Rulers help us measure things and draw straight lines. They also help us plan.
Let's say you want to make a pond playset. You start by drawing and coloring a great big pond with lily pads and rocks. You want to make frogs to sit on the lily pads, but how big should the frogs be? Use your ruler. If the lily pads are 2 inches across, make your frogs 1 inch across. And guess what? You can download a pond playset from the link in the video description.
Hello, moms.
Hello,
Hey,
Forkamillion.
Nutrition time. A serving size of this cereal is... There are calories per serving, and each serving has grams of carbohydrates and grams of added sugar. Children should have no more than 12 grams of added sugar each day, and adults should have no more than 24 to 36 grams of added sugar.
Thank you, Forkamillion.
You're welcome.
Brianne, Why do you think so many cereals have more than 12 grams of added sugar?
I think because sugar tastes sweet and people like sweet things.
Sugar is addictive and not great for us.
Well, Reese's Mini Puffs is definitely a dessert cereal. I wouldn't have more than a serving of it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. In a day, at least.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Spider.
Hi, Bowler. What do you have to tell us?
Hello, Seriously Cereal team. I wanted to let you know that the cereal you're reviewing today costs, and there are servings in the box. Let's figure out how much each serving costs. Divide the price of the cereal by the number of servings. Voila! Math is awesome.
Oh, great. Thank you, Bowler. I like math too. Here we go. Thank you, Spider. You are a really good office manager.
Maxwell has some great friends on the show.
And watching this show. Hey, Jax.
Okay, moms, let's move. Whee! Find the move that works for you. Run! Whee! Nicely done!
Bye! I've worked up an appetite.
Oh, hi, me too. Let's eat.
Well, okay.
So this is, I was actually lucky. Oof! Extra time. I was lucky enough to get to try all of the minis. These are the exact same shape and size as the other ones. The little, it's like you took Kicks or like Cocoa Puffs and you shrunk them down and they're little tiny.
Oh, they're instantly soggy.
Oh, are they? They're not if you're a snacker. They're also a little awkward for a snacker, to be honest.
They're a little small.
Yeah, you have to, like, usually when I'm snacking, I just, like, grab with my little pincers. You know, like the claw game. And just, but with these, it's awkward. So if you get, like, a little handful, then you can kind of toss them into your mouth and it's not so weird. But otherwise, you grab, like, one or two and eating, like, one at a time of these is silly.
I'm so disappointed that these are like, I mean, you can probably hear just a little bit of crunch still, but by and large, they're soggy. And that's not a great sensation. Half of these are kind of like the color of Kicks, like a light beige, and half of them are chocolate colored, so a little darker. It is sweetened, I believe, with Hershey's cocoa is what I saw on the box. And then the Reese's, specifically Reese's brand peanut butter. You definitely taste the peanut.
They taste just
And
like
you
Reese's
taste
Puff cereal
the chocolate.
to me. It's a very specific taste. It doesn't really taste like other cereal or other peanut butter things.
If you like that taste of Reese's that only Reese's has, you know, which is called the proprietary taste of Reese's, then I think you would actually like this cereal, especially if you don't mind if things get soggy in milk the minute the milk is poured on them. And again, there is some crunch, so they're not mush, they're just not as crunchy as I think I want them to be. You'd have to stay a snacker. I don't think I would buy these again.
No, not really.
But I mean, again, for what they're saying they are, it's done well. So I kind of want to say, this is kind of funny because usually if I would never buy something again, I wouldn't score it high, but I think I'm going to say 3. Because if you like Reese's, this is a good cereal. You will enjoy it.
I don't taste any difference in the flavor. They're just tiny. No, I think I would probably give it a 3 as well. It's tasty. I don't think it's incredibly convenient
Oh, thank
to
you,
be a
Spoonie.
snacker, or it looks like a spooner for the cereal. But if you like the mininess of it, cool,
Yeah.
fun.
So basically, yeah, if you have had Reese's Puffs before, this is just like that. They've definitely maintained the flavor even while making it smaller. And there you go. Thanks for watching, everyone.
We're still too small to be paid through YouTube, but you can support the show by heading over to seriouslycereal.org.
Because Seriously Cereal is safe for kids, YouTube turns off comments, but we love hearing from you guys. Go to seriouslycereal.org and click the mailbox icon. That way you can write to any team member, and we might just read your message in a future episode.
Seriously Cereal will be back before next Saturday with me and Maxwell for another arts and craft episode.
Before next Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Bye.